All right, part 2 in this side mount journey series where I am documenting my journey to become a side mount diver. In part 1, we unboxed all the regulators, all my side mount regulators that I need. And this one, we're gonna unbox the BCD and harness from same company, YUHSIN. So yeah, I really wanted this one. I looked at a lot of companies, XD, a lot of side mount systems, and there's a lot of good ones out there. But I went with this one because my friend had it. I was able to try it out, and it just fit me. It was wide enough. I'm a big dude. Everything, it was just the right everything. So yeah, I want to say for the side mount series, I want to just say that I know nothing. I'm starting at ground zero. I don't even know terminology, nothing. I just ordered the gear and we're going from there. In the next videos we'll be putting it all together, but yeah, after that we'll be doing the courses and stuff with the instructors and start learning. This is my journey from zero, so let's get into it. Of course, it's the YUHSIN Systems backplate, just like my regulators. And this one was when they collabed with Andy from Sump UK, and I just love this. I love this BCD, so I got it. It came in this one box. And by the way, if you're ever here in the Philippines and come to Critter Republic, we actually sell all this gear here as well. As well as we have these side mount instructors and everything can give SDI and TDI side mount courses. So you can get all this gear when you're down here if you want. All right, let's see what we got. I also got some weight pockets, right? So we got this. We got a couple weight pockets. Let's go on that in a minute. Let's just get the big one out of the way, the BCD. Like, I really like this thing. It's very high quality, yet still simplistic. All the other ones I tried out, they just didn't carry enough weights or they were too small. Like my Hollis one, I immediately got rid of. It was just, it looked like a monkey humping a walrus or something. It's so tiny on my back. But this one, I think it's 69 centimeters wide, and it's gonna work great. Another thing I liked about it is this inflator hose. It swivels. So not a lot or any of the other brands I checked out could do that, and that gives me a lot of play. So a lot of you smaller guys, you'll have your inflator all the way to your side up here. I'll probably have mine like right here. But either way, we're gonna see what kind of fits. It's not a one size fits all thing like in recreational diving. It's kind of a preference thing. Everybody has a little bit different system. Another thing I liked about this is this, let's call it a shell or a covering or whatever. It's just, it reminds me of a shark or like a stingray skin. Just very durable. And of course it's just the outer protection. It's got the bladder and everything underneath. So I think I'm really gonna like this. Really decent setup. And it doesn't, you know, it costs a lot less than the Halcyons or the X-Deeps or whatever that didn't fit me right. So if you guys know anything about Sump UK or you're a side mount diver, you probably at some point in time ordered some of his custom made parts. He's been designing these cool stuff for a long time. That's how I found YUHSIN and all this system, because all my instructors and dive masters that do side mount love these guys. So don't ask me what anything is called right now, but tomorrow we're gonna have to start assembling the harness, which is gonna be a massive learning thing for me because, you know, I'm a regular instructor. I can assemble backplate harnesses for recreational, but this is completely different system. So I chose red. Most of my gear is white and black on this and my other systems, but I chose red, so I got a lot of red pieces and parts for the rigging, for the harness, I guess. So we're really gonna have to go, I'm not gonna get too detailed into all these clips. For one, my instructor's not here and I'm still a newbie. I don't know what everything is called or what even it does. And it's a complicated harness system. And two, in the next couple of videos, we're gonna be assembling and showing you how to build a harness system for back mounts, and then we'll be going over each and every little detail and piece. So there's no point in getting redundant right now. One thing I want to show that is new to me is the belt buckle. We don't have, where's my other belt buckles? You know, the regular buckles that you take off. Check out this low profile buckle. So just go on and then clip like that. It's gonna be awesome. And then it's just easy to undo. It's kind of hard to explain right here. On the next video when we assemble all this, I'll show you, but I really wanted this from, I even called or messaged Sump UK and said if my system doesn't come with that, I'll order another one. And they even have a new one now after I ordered all this that connects like this, and then there's another one like this for your crotch strap, but I might have to order that. I don't know how long it's going to take from the UK, but it'll be a while. So we got the harness strap. I think this one is 6.5 meters. I told them to give them a lot for me because you need a lot of webbing, but this one is so high quality. I really like this one. It's not ultra soft like you'll see from some systems, some really cheap systems, but it's not ultra hard like my twin set, like this, like my twin set's webbing. This is just super uncomfortable. You know, you almost want a shoulder pad, but this is somewhere in between. It's not going to wear out fast, but it is very nice. And I'm going to assume this is the crotch strap because it is a little bit softer and more malleable. And yeah, should be a sweet crotch strap. Of course, I got all the other low profile D-rings, drop this and that, and all the little, oh, I thought I was gonna have to buy these rubber, I don't even know what to call them, but little arresters or whatever for loose ends. And then a whole thing of, this is probably 6mm bungee, and I think we're gonna have to, I don't think this is enough, to be honest, but we're gonna find out. Then we got some weight pockets. I haven't opened these. Let's check these out. They had to throw in some weight pockets, even though I did get these. And I have some already set up somewhere because I had them on my twin sets. Yeah, these are very high quality. Elvis can film those later, but yeah, I really like these. And he said they can go on your sides in the back or on your spine. I think probably put them like one on each side on the back, and they should hold about 2 or 3 kilos each. So yeah. Oh, this is the ones that I have on my twin sets. So this will go right on there. I don't even have to undo everything. It just goes right on there. You know, fold it, put it on the harness, and then the bungee comes up and wraps around my weight, and then I could add little trim weights wherever. So don't need more big pockets. But like with my Hollis and my X Deep, there was like 2 or 3 small pockets on the spine, and it just wasn't enough. They wouldn't hold enough weights for me, or they're in uncomfortable spots, whatever. So even though those are high quality as well, this is kind of a preference thing. We got I don't know what you want to call this, a butt pouch. There's some, I bet there's some double enders in here. Yeah. So double enders. We'll put this on. Elvis is always wearing his because he's got extra mask, SMB probably, all kinds of stuff, especially if we do Deco dives. He's always got it and taking it off and giving me stuff. Oh, extra lenses lately, right? We've been carrying a lot of extra lenses underwater and camera stuff. You can take this off, and so yeah, we'll be going through that as well. So there you have it, you guys. That's just a quick unboxing of this YUHSIN Sidemount BCD. This is called the Fat Boy because it's 69 centimeters, I believe. So it's perfect for me. They make a little bit smaller ones. They make different shapes and sizes. We'll put that on the screen. But I thought, and I was able to test this and check it out before I bought it. I thought this was really awesome. Check that out. They got their little logo and stuff cut into some of the buckles. So anyways, tell me what you guys think about this. In the next episode of my side mount journey, we're gonna start putting this stuff together. So see you then.